The trial of the man accused of murdering 9-year-old Olivia Pratt-Korbel has got underway today. Everyone will remember this case. Olivia was shot inside her home in Liverpool last August. Now, Thomas Cashman is charged with murder. Let's go live to Manchester Crown Court now, where our North West reporter Sophie Reaper is. Sophie, thank you. What's the latest, please?
Well, this afternoon, Patrick, the prosecution told the members of the jury exactly what crime scene investigators found that night at Kings Heath Avenue after a shooting had taken place. They were shown images, one of which showed a bullet lodged in the front door of Olivia Pratt-Korbel's home. They also had described to them a shot that went through the front door. It went through Cheryl Korbel's hand and ultimately went through Olivia Pratt-Korbel's chest. That would be the bullet that killed the 9-year-old girl. The jury were also shown images of some of the clothing that was recovered from two separate addresses. One was a pair of navy blue tracksuit bottoms. They were found at the house where the prosecution say Thomas Cashman fled to after the incident had taken place. Further two items were also recovered from Thomas Cashman's sister's house, matching navy blue tracksuit jacket to those tracksuit bottoms and a T-shirt. The prosecution told the court that on the T-shirts, forensic specialists had found Thomas Cashman's blood, and on those tracksuit bottoms they'd managed to find a small amount of gunshot residue that matched the gunshot residue that was found at the scene of the crime. Finally, the jury were told about the circumstances of Thomas Cashman's arrest all the way back in September of last year. Of course, Thomas Cashman denies all of the charges that he's facing, and that day when he was interviewed, he said, "I've got no involvement at all in any of these crimes that you're putting forward towards me, nothing whatsoever. I live in the area, brought up in the area. Whatever the reasons, I've been around the area, but I haven't committed no offence." Mr McLaughlin then concluded the opening statements for the prosecution, putting to the jury that it was their responsibility to keep emotion out of it, and instead it was their job to use the evidence that they've been given to determine whether or not the gunman that night was Thomas Cashman. Now, court has concluded for today, but it's going to resume tomorrow morning at approximately 10 a.m, so we're going to be bringing you updates on that as we get them.